Lily and the Whisper Tree. In a little green yard stood a big, kind oak tree. A little girl named Lily called him Oakley. Oakley was her best friend. She would hug his strong trunk and tell him all her secrets. One morning, a warm little wind tickled Lily's nose. She ran to Oakley and saw something new. Tiny green bumps were popping out all over his branches. "What's happening, Oakley?" she whispered. It was the beginning of spring. Soon, the tiny buds burst open into 1,000 bright green leaves. Oakley looked like he was wearing a big, leafy coat. Little birds flew in and started to build a nest. "Hello, new friends," Lily sang to them. The days grew long, and the sun shone bright and hot. It was summer. Oakley's leaves made a giant, shady umbrella over the yard. It was the best place to be when the sun was playing hide-and-seek behind the clouds. Lily and her mommy spread a big blanket under Oakley's branches for a picnic. They ate sweet, red strawberries. "Oakley keeps us so cool," Mommy said, smiling. Lily agreed, giving the tree a happy pat. Then, a cool, crisp breeze began to blow through the yard. Oakley's leaves changed from green to brilliant red, sunny yellow, and warm orange. "You're a rainbow, Oakley," Lily cheered. Autumn had arrived. The colorful leaves danced and twirled to the ground. Swish, swoosh. They made a big, crunchy carpet in the yard. Lily's favorite game was to run and leap into the pile. Crunch. One morning, Lily woke up and saw that Oakley's branches were all bare. A chilly wind whistled a lonely song. Then, soft, white flakes began to drift down from the gray sky. It was winter. The world turned white and quiet. Lily and her daddy went outside to build a friend for Oakley. They rolled up big snowballs and made a happy snowman right beside the tree. They used pebbles for his eyes and a carrot for his nose. The snow melted away, and the sun began to feel warm again. Lily ran to Oakley and looked closely at his branches. There it was, a tiny green bump, a brand new leaf ready to say hello. "Welcome back, spring," Lily whispered, giving the trunk a gentle hug.